To remove this radio from a Mitsubishi Outlander, first we're going to take out this vent and the other vent. So just carefully get something underneath the bottom here. If you've got plastic tools, they're the best thing to use. And the same for the other side, take that out the same way. So now there's two screws, there's one here and one on the other side, so undo those. And take them all the way out and put them somewhere safe. And just carefully pull the radio out. This is the front panel. Unplug that connector, which is a bit difficult. It's got a little locking thing inside it, so we just got to push that out. Alright, my little locking connector inside there is a little locking part inside, you can't see it, but this one's broken on this car. So to remove the rest of the radio, there's 4 screws around the outside. Undo those, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so once you've undone all those 4 screws, remove the radio. Unplug these connectors, there's 3 total, well, aerial plug and 2 wire connectors. And then you're left with a hole with no radio.